Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today is another day with very nice weather. Yesterday we was up to 30 degrees Celsius plus in Norway. So today is supposed to be more or less the same. So I was thinking maybe I should start cleaning up the KIA Ceed. This car is going to be sold later, and I need to fix some more things and find out why. But a problem has always been that it's dirty. The seats are completely dirty, front and back and everywhere. But now since it's so nice weather, I can try to clean it up and let it dry out in the sun. So that's going to be this process now. So if you want to follow, we try to do it very easy. Yeah. Then I have started to clean out things here. I've taken out the floor mats and put them outside. But before I start cleaning with water, I just use a vacuumer to take out some of this dust, because I don't want that in my water too. Good thing with this car is this big sunroof, so I can just open it and get in more light, so that's going to be nice. Here the floor mats are, so I'm going to clean out those. And try to start with this seat. Yeah, there. That side was tested out first. Been more interesting to see the other side. Yeah, this is the absolutely worst seat of them all. It's very dirty in the bottom here. This will be very interesting to see when it's dried up, because Now it looks clean. Let it dry up, maybe it come back some spots, I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay. More coins. Even more coins. Yeah. Here you see the floor. I have to take the floor in the end there now because there are some mushrooms, I think, or bacteria and things. I don't want to take that water up in some other things. So now we're trying to clean up this. Yeah. Try to take this side in the back here. It's very wet. I didn't able to get up everything. I should have a better machine, but this is what most people have back in the house. Wet and dry vacuum cleaners, ordinary. This is a very small one from Biltema because it was very nice to have with you in the cars when you try to clean out things. So actually it looks like it's working. So I'm very happy with the result for a moment. Now I have to take the other side. It's very dirty too, so we go there. Now the battery on my machine died. Now to the old-fashioned way. Sitting in the front is something stuff here. Maybe I take the vacuum and take out that first. Hopefully it's so dry that it will come out. Then that is done. Then is the last side again. Yeah, started in the last side in here. Putting the water again. But in here the carpets are taken on. It was not like in the back. In the back it was very bad. Take that back. Yeah, then that's actually finished, and I believe be interesting to see when it's dry up, but I believe it was helping a lot. So I'm just letting the car stand here out, baking in the sun to dry up and see how it's working. So now I go and clean the floor mats and see how they are going to be. There, the floor mats have been washed off the worst, lying for drying. Yeah, then I'm back. And most of the day I've been sunny and nice. Now it's starting to be a little overclouded, but it's no problem. Car have been standing, drying up. The floor mats was out, cleaned off. Some things didn't go off completely, but it looks okay. It's only this one was more dirty than the rest. The seats, both sides, looks to be nice. Some small things here can clean up. Again, I have some problems in here that need fixing for those who are buying this car. But it looks 10 times better than it was, because this seat was completely dirty and the other one was really seriously bad. It's looking very badly. Back seat was also dirty. So now they cleaned up, and now it's actually looks nice. One place I have not checked, but that one is nice. So now this car needs to be allowed to dry out tomorrow too. See if I put on here and open some of the windows. Of course, why should it want to do that? This one to open a little. Yeah, it's opened a little. Also the window on the back. Tomorrow is supposed to be sunny the day too, so then it can stand out here and dry up even more. That's good. Get to do something today too. Hope you like my small videos. Trying to come back with some more, should we say, inspiration. I'm not professional, I'm just trying to learn time after time. So thank you for looking, and welcome back. Please subscribe and like if you like the video. Give me ideas, give me feedback, everything is welcome. So thank you.